Hi everyone, Redrock brings you the exclusive property for your business and activities. The warehouse is in Jebel Ali, located at a very prime location. It has huge space for the loading and unloading. The warehouse is equipped with an automated shutter with a built up mezzanine and also with flooring painted with the epoxy. This warehouse is fully equipped with all the civil defense requirements, which includes fire hose manual reel, fire extinguishers, fire alarm system, smoke detectors, sprinklers, and one emergency exit. It has a built in washroom and an office. The warehouse is fully air conditioned, both on the ground and on mezzanine. For more details in regards to this spacious and fully equipped warehouse, you can contact one of our executives at Redrock Real Estate. And do not forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter on Redrock UAE. Thank you.